Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number HAP-203-3. This is your trailer equalizer kit for your 3-inch wide slipper springs with your 24 3/4-inch long equalizers. Let's check it out. So, part number HAP-203-3, your equalizer kit for your 3-inch wide slipper springs, and it's going to consist of your two 4 1/8 tall center Weld-on hangers with the 1 1/8-inch center hole right here. It's going to have two of the 24 3/4 long equalizers for the 3-inch wide springs. It's going to have two of the 4.5-inch long by 1/2-inch diameter spring keeper bolts. It's going to have two of the 5.5-inch long by 1-inch diameter spring bolts, and then your two of your 1 1/8-inch diameter equalizer bolts. So this kit is a good repair kit if you damaged your equalizers or your hangers for them, or you would use this in conjunction with the HAP-103-00 Hanger Kit if you want to make it a tandem hanger kit. Or if you were doing like a triple setup, you would need two of these kits along with the HAP-103-00 Hanger Kit. Measure it all out real quick so you can see. So we'll start with the equalizers right here, 24 3/4-inch long. It has the 1-inch spring bolt hole right here, and then you're going to have the 1 1/8-inch equalizer bolt hole right here, and then your 1/2-inch hole over here for your keeper bolts. Flip it like this, and it's going to be 3.5 inches wide. You're going to see it's 6 inches tall. You got your 1/2-inch keeper bolts right here. So I'll show you how long those are. Those are going to be 4 3/4 inch long, and this is 1/2 inch diameter, and it has your nuts right here to go with it. And then you have your 1 1/8-inch diameter equalizer bolts that are going to go right in here. And I'll just measure those from the top of the head to the bottom real quick so you can see. They're going to be 6 5/8 long, or from bottom of the head to the end is 6 inches. And it comes with your 1 1/8-inch lock nuts. And next you have your 1-inch spring bolts right here. From the bottom of the head to the end, it's going to be 5.5 inches. Or from the top of the head to end, it's going to be 6 inches. And this also comes with your 1-inch lock nuts. And then you have your weld-on hangers right here. We'll just measure this out from the top where you'd weld it on to the center of the hole right here. It's going to be 4.5 inches, as you can see. Or all the way down, it's going to be 5.5 inches. And these guys are going to be 4 3/8 wide, or if we measure it by this way, you're going to see it's 5 inches wide. And it also comes with the instructions right here. So a lot of good information on these instruction sheets, from your single setup to your tandem hanger setup to even your triple setup, where you'd weld on the brackets and everything. Really good information we provide here. So you get these little instructions come with all the kits. So that's really good information to have. So I'll just show you these hangers. They go in place right here, and then your spring or your equalizer bolt's going to go through like that. Same thing with this one. So it's pretty much going to be set up like that when it's on the trailer, as you can see. And the equalizers pivot back and forth off the hanger. Trailer equalizer kit for your 3-inch wide springs with the 24 3/4-inch long hanger or equalizers. So if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.